This video essentially shows you how to extract a stock CD from a PS3 Play Station. So apparently we've got multiple discs or CDs stuck in the PlayStation's optical drive. And this is as a result of little ones or kiddies, having fun, at a party and thinking it was ideal to stick multiple CDs into the drive. So we've got a couple of games and CDs there that I will be trying to extract. For the first method, you don't really need the HDMI cable or the adapter. All you need to do is to hold down the eject button, and after holding down the eject button, plug in the power cord to give power to the PlayStation. And when you hear the high pitch of the sound of the fan, keep tapping the eject button, and hopefully your CD should be out. So that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to hold down the eject button and plug in the power cord from behind, and as soon as I hear the high pitched sound of the fan revving, then I begin to tap the eject button, hopefully, hoping that the CD should come out. But because this is not just one CD, I've got multiple CDs here. I'm not surprised that this hasn't worked. But this is one method, and there's another solution. So retrieving it automatically didn't work, so we'll try to access it, manually. So I'll take out the small panel access door cover to access a certain screw that I'd need to turn to get them CDs out. So this is just like more of a manual process. And as the saying goes, you can't fit a square peg in a round hole. So take cognizance of the head of the screw that you're trying to undo, because it's really obscure. You need like a torch to see what the screw head is like. If you put a Phillips flathead screw there, and on a star head, you're not going to get the screw out, are you? You're just going to be wasting your time, torque opening, the screw, like forever. So with the aid of the torchlight, I'm trying to get, to see what the head of the screw looks like. And it's not even a flathead Phillips screw, it's a star head. So I need a star screwdriver, to turn the screws to get the CD out. And so with the aid of like a flat screw, you can see it's not providing any traction. I can turn it anti-clockwise to get, to rotate the CDs out from the optical drive. So it's pointless using a flat screw head in this instance. So it's important that you find out what the makeup of the head of the screw is. So from here onwards, I'll deploy a star head screwdriver and turn the screw anti-clockwise continuously, manually, until the CDs, that's stuck in the optical drive, a couple of CDs that's popping out or sliding out through the optical drive tray. So all I have to do here is to key in the screwdriver onto the head of the screw and continuously turn the head of the screw anti-clockwise until you can see the CDs that are popping out gradually. That's the first one out. That's another one, trying to come out now. When I tried the automatic, process, it wasn't coming out, but the manual process is getting the CDs out. So whatever works for you, it's fine. Just try to spin it all the way through anti-clockwise. I got a little bit impatient and tried to drag out them CDs, but you don't need to do this really. Just turn it around and wait till the disc is fully out. Before you extract them CDs. So I'm just gonna work through the rest of the process and extract hopefully the last CD there, the game CD. And as soon as that's out, I just test it with one of them CDs just to make sure that it's still loading the game properly, onto the drive. The only reason why I dragged out them CDs that way was because two CDs, were kind of like stuck in there, stacked up on each other, and I couldn't, turn it out any further. So from here onwards, I'll just test the PlayStation, by loading one disc to see if it loads properly. I've got no worries whatsoever. I'm pretty sure that it's going to load just fine. And that's about it really. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Helps the channel grow, and hopefully I'll catch up with you soon with more upcoming videos. Goodbye, have a good one.